You are a talented designer. You pour your heart into your craft, refining pixels, perfecting user flows. Yet when you post your work online, it can feel like shouting into a void. Others get clients, speaking gigs, and loyal followings. You wonder what secret they know. You post finished projects, but the needle barely moves. Likes are fleeting, comments generic, inquiries sporadic. More content, same result. The premise is flawed. A strong portfolio shows what you did, not how you think. Solve problems, or help others. The secret is a mindset shift, from exhibitor of work to consistent contributor of value. Before we go any further, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the bell for more design business education like this. We're building a community of designers who want real businesses, not burnout. Help people, share your process. Build a brand around a distinct point of view. This turns a passive portfolio into an active magnetic hub. Today, I will show you how to do it. This isn't about more design tips. It's about building a business that supports your creativity. Many believe authority comes from perfect, finished work or awards. But that creates an online museum of static achievements. It is not about being louder, chasing trends, or mastering every platform. Authority is built through consistent, valuable contribution and authentic connection. Small, steady moves compound into unshakable authority. You become not just seen, but sought after. Unignorable. Let's turn this into steps you can follow. Start with your foundation. Your unmistakable brand. Your brand is the signal in a noisy world, not just a logo or palette, but how you look and how you talk. Instant recognition creates familiarity, the first step to trust. Without consistency, every post starts from scratch. A cohesive brand gives your work a home and context. Pick 3 words people should associate with your practice. These words become your filter for every choice. Choose a tight palette, 1 or 2 typefaces, and reusable templates. Not identical, related. Your content should feel like family. People pause not just because it looks good, but because it looks like you. Match your voice to your 3 words. Be generous, clear, and jargon-free. A consistent voice turns a faceless designer into a trusted mentor. Only showing final mock-ups creates a closed loop that kills conversation. Open the loop, share the why. Decisions, mistakes, breakthroughs, principles. Teach single-point lessons. 1 post, 1 takeaway. Explain a common typography mistake in a short clip. Show a before and after and what changed. Vary formats to show breadth. Mix high-effort case studies with quick, helpful micro-content. Ask for feedback, post a tip, or share a resource. Record quick, unpolished process moments. Useful content gets saved, shared, and remembered. People start to see you as a resource and teacher in your niche. Authority is earned 1 helpful post, 1 shared insight, 1 small lesson at a time. Authority is not built in a vacuum. It is built in community. Reply to every thoughtful comment. Acknowledge, answer, and thank specifically. End posts with a question. Invite dialogue. Show up beyond your feed. Add perspective. Share resources. Encourage. Depth beats breadth. 1 sincere DM outweighs 1,000 empty likes. Deep connections lead to referrals, collaborations, and long-term loyalty. If this is helping you think differently about your design business, hit the like button and drop your biggest takeaway in the comments. Your insights help shape future videos for this community. People remember those who show up and contribute consistently. Visibility plus goodwill positions you as a helpful pillar in the community. Focus on real relationships, not vanity metrics. Once you're consistent and engaged, amplify your message. Collaboration is a shortcut to credibility and new audiences. Start with peers who share values and bring different strengths. Combine perspectives for natural value exchange. Host a quick live where each of you teaches from your angle. Swap articles, share templates, feature others with credit. Keep outreach simple and audience first. Personal, generous pitches beat generic asks every time. Authority equals consistent, valuable contribution plus real connection. It is not 1 viral post or a perfect case study. It is the drumbeat of showing up and helping week after week. Predictability builds trust and signals reliability. Consistent value turns a hireable designer into a reliable expert. This week, pick 1 small specific topic you know well. For example, choosing a button color. Make 3 pieces: a simple Instagram carousel, a short LinkedIn or X post, and a 60-second vertical video. Post them on 3 separate days and reply to every comment. Next week, repeat with a new topic. The power is in repetition. In months, you will have a library of proof, an engaged community, and a clear voice. This is how you move from invisible to unignorable. Do not chase perfection. Chase the habit of being consistently helpful. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, share it with a designer who's serious about building a real business. And if you're ready to go deeper, visit thedesignlemonade.com to access free tools, checklists, and design business education.